Hi! In this video, I will show you how to automatically save chat on the Snapchat. So the process is pretty simple. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and open the Snapchat mobile application. Now go to the message option from here and open anyone chat with whom you want to save your chat. So there is two ways to save the chat. One way is to send message hi and tap to this message for a second and save in chat. This is the one way, and the other way, you can click on his profile or her profile from here and click on these three dots. Now click on the jets, so I simply click on it. And here you will find two options after viewing and 2 hours after viewing. So I simply click on this after 24 hours. So, after doing this, your chat will save for 24 hours, and this is the total process. If you want to save chats automatically on Snapchat, you can follow these instructions. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank